I don't know if I could put music to this. If I'm able to, I'm going to put music to it. Just as a short video showing my entire art studio. Yeah, I tied that off so it didn't fall. This is the main area that I work in. That's my desk. Out there is my clay, making clay vases. What's it called? Oh my gosh, it literally slipped my mind. That blue thing there. My wheel, my pottery wheel. That's it. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. This is where I keep all my paint. Yep. Alright. And then this is my office area. My computer, my books, and I got some stuff up here. Not too much. I made a lot of room when I cleaned up, because it cleaned up. And this is where all my jewelry making stuff is, on this shelf here, and my like liquid clay and stuff like that. Oh, yeah. Look, I even have open empty things I can fill because I really did a good cleaning. And then in here, I actually have room. Whoops, sorry about my finger. I actually have room for other things now. Pretty cool, right? Dig that. Bye-bye.